Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a funner video. I'm so excited. I got the Jasmine Chiswell and Colourpop collab. I'm so excited. I've been watching her for a little bit now. I knew her from TikTok, but then I actually started like really getting into her YouTube channel and like watching all of her house tours and like all the spooky Marilyn Monroe stuff. And I've always been a fan of old Hollywood and, you know, like Lana Del Rey, those types of aesthetics. So I figured this collection would be perfect for my makeup collection. So I'm super excited. I have not opened it yet. I've done like the majority of my makeup besides lips and eyes. So two of the most important things. And also this beer is so cute. It's called Sipping Pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna open this. I'm so excited. This, I got it on Mercari for $50 when the full set on Colourpop's website is like $90. I'm wondering if someone got it for like PR and they just wanted to make a buck out of it because they don't like Colourpop or something. Which I've never actually even used this brand, so. Alright, so as far as I know, there's like 2 eyeshadow palettes and then like 3 like lip kits and like lip glosses or something. I'm really not sure, so. The box is really cute. It says, established in LA, fragile. Colourpop, welcome to Hollywood. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Wow, there's actually a decent amount of things in here. This is adorable. I have to keep this box forever. Okay, so first things first, we have these two eyeshadow palettes. Hello Hollywood and Such a Starlet. I hope there's like some nice like setting colors and like some, I don't know, fun things. This is like super like Barbie vibes. So cute. That like showgirl color, that middle red. All right, and then this one's Hello Hollywood. Oh, it's pink. Ooh, this is perfect. This is giving me like Marilyn Monroe basic. This color is totally like vintage Barbie. Very excited. I don't even want to throw the boxes away, like they're so cute. I can't. Okay, so then we have 3 lip kit, a lip duo. So it comes with a cream luxe lipstick and a lippy pencil. I wonder if these are matte. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just a cream. They're cruelty free. Okay, this one's called Old Flame. Okay, so the duo is called Old Flame. Oh my goodness. It's so vintage. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is called Sex Appeal and this is Beverly Bungalow. Oh, this is like the perfect Marilyn Monroe red. This is the best purchase I've ever made. Like, it's a collectible, honestly. Like, I knew I had to get my hands on this before it was sold out. I know it's fairly new. Okay, and then we have like this perfect red lip liner. I guess I have some reds, but they're old or they're from like Walmart or like CVS, like older brands. This is the So Dangerous. So Iconic is the lipstick and Oh My is the lippy pencil. Oh my gosh, the pencil. I'm guessing the pencil matches the lipstick basically. It's so cute. This packaging, I'm dying for. It's so vintage. I swear my grandma had makeup that looked just like this, like old Clinique. Okay, and then yeah, the pencil basically is the exact same color. And then this one is the It Girl, or okay, Hello Angel. The lipstick is called It Girl and the pencil is called Formosa Cafe. I'm not from LA, so I don't really know where that's at, but okay. Oh, it's just like a beautiful nude, like dark nude. So excited. And then yeah, the lippy pencil. So exciting. And then the last 2 things are Luxe Gloss. Gloss is like so in right now. This one is called Glamour Shot. Oh, I just died. Look at this. Look at that shimmer and Shine. I don't even know which one of you. It smells really good too. This like pink and red too. Like I know a lot of people don't like that combo, but I live for it. Okay, and then this last thing, the lip gloss, is called Platinum Blonde. Ooh, it's like a nude, but it has like a gold flake. Oh, it smells so good, and I just feel like just the applicator is so thick. Formula looks thick. That was the cutest thing ever. I have to take a picture of all of this before I use it. So now I actually have to try to use it. So let's see how this works. I guess we'll start with some eyeshadow. I really want to get, I don't even know what to use. Like so first I guess I'm gonna go in with this white color Silver Screen and just use like a flat brush and just like get a base going here. I don't know, like unless you have like a lot of makeup and you travel with a lot of makeup. Wait, first of all, this is really good. Making palettes that don't have base colors on them is such a mistake. Like I bought the REM palettes and I brought them all on vacation with me without like trying it first because I love Ariana Grande, and there was no like base colors, so it was literally just like glitter. I wasn't gonna put like a purple in my, I don't know, it was kind of a mess. I was really upset, but it's fine. That looks absolutely stunning. I kind of want to go for this blue. I think I'm going to. So next I'm gonna go in with a blending brush. This is from Morphe, and I'm gonna use this color Bombshell. Tap the excess, and we're just gonna build this crease. Wow, I've never used Colourpop. I don't know, like they've never really came out with anything that struck me. Also I'm like kind of a snob and buy the prestige brands, but this is like really good so far. Seems like a really forgiving shadow too. Like I'm blending it out. I'm gonna go in with this color Classic. It's like a pink. Just gonna brush the edges of my crease with it. I guess we're just gonna go straight in with the blue. I'm kind of scared that there's gonna be a bunch of fallout, but I'm literally gonna use the same brush. The color is called Cinema. Oh, it's like a baby blue. Oh my gosh. Even without like a wet brush or anything, like this color is really coming in. But I am kind of patting it in. I'm not like smearing it because I really don't want a bunch of fallout. You guys see this? I'm literally not even using setting powder. This is the best blue eyeshadow I've ever used in my entire life. Kind of looks a little 80s on me. And another thing that I know Marilyn Monroe's makeup artist always did, she put shadow on her bottom lid. I used the lighter brown, but I think I'm gonna go in with the darker brown. It's called Picture Show, and I just have like a flat brush here, and yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like make that effect of like a liner almost. And then they made like a little tail like this so that it gave like her lashes like a false shadow. And I'm gonna go in with this color Allure, same flat brush, tap the excess, and then spray it. And we're just gonna go a little bit on the inner corners, nothing crazy. On top of that, we're gonna use this color Golden Girl. It's kind of like a highlight, soften. All right, and then there's this color called Sultry. It looks like a nice highlight. I'm gonna put this, oh my gosh. This reminds me of the Balm highlight, Mary Lou or whatever. I thought that pink was gonna work, but not as good. However, softening it up though. Let's just use a highlight brush and see how this works. Oh, that's gorgeous. So what I'm picking up is that this could also be a face palette. This color Classic could totally be a blush. Wow, she's glam. I love it. All right, I'm gonna finish my eyes and then we'll move on to lips. All right, I did a little wing. And like half a lash. I've been really digging like the half lash look. Now I just have to decide which lipstick I'm going to use. I really want to try the gloss, but I'm not feeling those colors today. So yeah, we're not doing red. I think I'm gonna do this pink, the So Iconic color. My hands are so dirty. Do you guys' hands get dirty after you do makeup? Like filthy? From eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara gets my hands dirty. Just gonna line my bottom lip naturally. And then for my top lip, I think I'm just gonna give myself a little extra. Ooh. This is so smooth. And then the lipstick, so iconic. Oh, it's gorgeous. I don't know, maybe, I don't think I'm feeling this color. I don't know, I think blue eyeshadow with a bright pink lip makes it kind of look like a clown. I'm gonna try this one. This is the It Girl, is what the shade is called. Oh yeah. This is so pretty. So this is the final look. Super surprised actually with, sorry I'm burping. I'm super surprised with how this actually turned out, and yeah, it's totally worth the money. Like, only thing I wouldn't suggest buying is like makeup not from the website, because it almost looks used. Like, I know it's not, but it almost looks like it. Definitely like opened it up and stuff. You know what you guys think, or if you guys bought the collection, what kind of looks you did. I would love to see them all. Yeah, and these caps keep falling off of the lip liner. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.